how to change this pressure release valve. First, turn off the heater. And we need to connect the hose down here to empty out the tank. We need to bring the water from up here to at least here below the valve. So I'm gonna connect this hose here. Then you're gonna open up a faucet in your house, the hot water faucet, so the air goes through. Which I just did now. And we're gonna open this, turn this thing knob slowly. So you're gonna have to more or less guesstimate when you think the water is below the faucet. Let it run for about 5 minutes. Gotta close the water up here. I almost forgot that. I'm doing it now. Remove the little extension I have here. The water's going down. Okay, I think the water's below. Have a mop just in case. Now with this vent, I'm just gonna turn this. It's about 5 times. Let me see this water there. So tell me. There's water. There's no water there. So, once I know it's below, just gonna close this so I don't have to fill up the whole thing again. Should take about 15 minutes. I like to count how many times I'm spinning this, so when I put the new one, I know how many times I have to turn it. So it's about 5. One, 2, 3, 4, about 4 or 5. old one was damaged. You look in there, it looks, I don't know, rusty, but it was leaking. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Teflon tape. So since I'm turning it this way, put the tape around this way so it doesn't come out when I put it. Put about 4 layers. Okay. Nice and tight. Remember, I said I was spinning it 5 times. Make sure this is clean in here. No debris. And do it by hand first. Make sure it's straight and not cross-threaded. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5. Should be good. And with that going, I'm just gonna fill this up with water. Turn this back on. Okay, that's on there. I still have the faucet open. And I'm gonna put this right back. This, you don't have to put Teflon tape. This is not pressurized or nothing. So. Doesn't need to be tight. Just make sure it's going down. And I'll let this finish filling up. So while that's going, just gonna disconnect the water hose down here. I have a cap. I usually put it on so it doesn't leak. I always go hand tight. Doesn't need to be that tight either. There. And just waiting for this to fill up with water so I could turn it back on. Water's coming off steady here. No air bubbles. I should be able to plug this back on right here. There. And this is ready to go. Thanks for watching.